In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable autosave in Microsoft Word documents. So if you have been experiencing loss of information each time power goes off or your Word document temporarily closes, then let me show you how you can enable autosave or reduce the interval for the autosave. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Word document, and then to enable autosave, head over to File, and from File, head down here to Options. Now, under Options, you should see we have Word Options. Go ahead and click on Save, and under Save, go ahead and check on Save Auto Recovery Information, and then once you check on this, you can now go ahead and choose the interval for saving auto recovery information, so you can reduce this to make sure that the autosave is done after maybe 5 minutes, or if you want to increase this, you can increase it. By default, it should be set to 10 minutes. Once you have selected or set your time, go ahead and also check keep the last auto recovered version if I close without saving. And now once these two are checked, go ahead and click on OK to apply your settings. So that's how you can enable auto save on your Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.